to bulk create RSAs or responsive search ads, go to the ad group screen, filter down to the ad groups where you want to create RSAs. Once you've filtered, select those ad groups and you can select everything. Go to create multiple ads and choose RSAs. Now the way this works is we'll inherit data from the ETAs in the same ad groups to mass create these RSAs. Now if you don't want to create RSAs in ad groups that have RSAs, you can enable this. If you want to skip paused ad groups, you can skip those. Then you're going to choose how you want us to inherit the data from the ads based upon highest conversion rate, highest click-through rate, highest impressions, and so forth. How many headlines should be inherited? So default is 3, the minimum number for an RSA. You could choose a higher number. You can add your own headlines if you want to. And then how many descriptions will be inherited, and you can create your own descriptions. Next, preview the ads. In certain cases, an RSA can't be created because there's not enough unique headlines in the ad group. So then we'd have to add a headline, and then maybe another headline. And then when we add some more with the inheritance values plus the unique lines, then we'll get to the minimum number, and then we may need to add another description as well. If there's only one unique description in the ad group, then we can only inherit one, and so you have to add a second description to get to the minimum number. Then we can preview the RSAs and see if there's any places we're not going to create them. Now in this case, it's a dynamic search ad group, so they won't be created because there's no inheritance from an ETA. And then we can download the preview if you want to save it or send it to someone to review. And then when we're happy with how the ads will look, we'll click Create RSAs in selected ad groups, and then we'll go inherit the data and then bulk create the RSAs in those ad groups.